On this video I'll show you how to sell your shares on the internal market at VCCrowd. So VCCrowd, quick summary for those who don't know, is VC stands for venture capital, crowd, so it's crowdfunding, venture capital. So it allows us as small investors to get early on in young businesses that have got massive potential, very much like the dragons on Dragon's Den or the sharks on Shark Tank, where they invest in privately owned businesses when they're small, 3 to 5 employees type scenario, and then if one of those companies goes on to become a big successful business with thousands of employees, then our shareholding in that business could be worth an absolute fortune. So it's high risk but also incredibly high rewards, and the risk is obviously relative to the amount of money you put into a business anyway. So if you only invested £100 into a business, then I don't think you could really class that as high risk, but the rewards could still be big anyway. But that's by the by. What I want to do, like I said, is show you how to sell your shares. A lot of people ask me, well, okay, Paul, if I've got some shares in the club, so every month I pay my subscription, every month I get shares in businesses the club is invested in, what do I do? How do I sell those shares if I've got a particular, let's say I've got some bills to pay or something like that, or perhaps there's a company I'm not so comfortable with having shares in. How would I go about selling those? Now I've got other videos as well to show you how to do the converse of this, which is to buy shares, but this video is simply to show how to sell shares. So we come through the trading section. So I'm logged into my wife's account at the moment just to show the process here, fundamentally because I don't want you to see the amount of shares I've got in my account, because it's quite substantial now, and I don't want you getting put off thinking, wow, Paul, I wish I could do that. I'm not going to make any action because I just don't think I get to that point. So my wife's account is a smaller account, so hopefully you won't be intimidated by this. So we come through to this section here that says private. We've got public trading, where if a company we've invested in has gone to the stock market, you can still sell those shares through the club without having to register with a stockbroker and things like that, but that's the public trading. But we're talking about the private trading here. This is a member-to-member share trading facility. So normally you can't sell unlisted shares in companies without a very complex involvement with solicitors and so on and things like that. But with VCCrowd we have this internal trading platform. They call it the secondary market. I like to call it as an internal stock market, and essentially you get to see your shares here, and you can trade these. You can buy and sell them. So for instance, my wife's got shares in Happy Drinks, IOS Bio, Tex Group, Rockstar, Total Environmental Solutions, and so on. You can see the number of shares she has in these different companies and the current share price. This is the independent valued share price. So she's got 5,198 shares. These are worth £1.50 each according to the accountants, plus Happy Drinks, where they've raised funds at this price already. And so this is a pretty good, strong indication of the true value of the shares at this particular moment. That's the whole point of shares, by the way, at this point, is to say that it's not, that's going to be the future value. They could be higher or lower. And obviously, as investors, we hope the value is going to be substantially higher. And that's what we're in for. So with Happy Drinks, the share price has risen quite substantially over the few years that we've had shares in the company, now valued at £1.50 per share. That's the external valuation. Like I said, the accountants, Happy Drinks, have already raised funds at that share price, and so that's an independent valuation. Now, it doesn't mean that's the price you're going to be able to sell shares for. If we scroll down the page here, we can see we've got bid buy offers. These are people wanting to buy shares. They're bidding for shares. This is the price they're saying. So we've got someone here willing to buy 225 at 54 pence each. So that's quite substantially lower than the £1.50 true valuation, fair valuation. But if someone wants to sell their shares for 54 pence, then that's absolutely fine. They can go ahead and they will get that price. And that 54 pence is still higher than, I think it's about 30 something pence we originally started getting shares in Happy Drinks company. So even if you're selling at 54, you're still likely to have made a profit. If you're looking for the long term though, hold on to those shares, because the current share price of £1.50, we could be looking at tenfold more than that in another few years time, in which case you'd be quite gutted for selling at 50 pence per share if you could have got £15 per share, that sort of thing. Anyway, again, back to the point of this video, to show you how to sell the shares. Now on the right hand side here we've got the sell ask offers. So these are people listing their shares for sale. So if you were a buyer, you would come here and say, well, okay, I can buy 5 shares from this seller who's selling their shares at 85 pence each. I could buy those 5. We can look at the full details on that by clicking show. You can see it's £4.25 is the total outlay. Not a great deal of money, but that would allow me to buy 5 shares at 85 pence. Effectively, I would be almost doubling my money in terms of value, because these shares, like I said, technically are worth £1.50, because that's where the latest investors have come in at. So yeah, so you might want to be buying shares rather than selling shares to grab a few bargains. But again, purpose of this video is to show you how to sell. So there's 2 ways we can sell. We can either sell instantly to someone who's put an offer to buy. So if, for instance, I wanted to sell, or my wife wanted to sell 225 of her shares at 54 pence each, that would raise around about 120, 130 pounds of shares. So she could say, yep, I want to sell to these 3 offers here to buy shares. So we expanded that, so we show, because there might be more than one offer at a particular price, and we can see here there are actually 3 offers at 54 pence. One to buy 700, sorry, one to buy 100, one to buy 75, and one to buy 50. So let's say I wanted to sell my shares. We click on sell selected. So I've selected those 3 offers. Click on sell selected. You sure you want to sell those to those three offers? I click OK. Yes, I am sure. So we're selling a block. So the number of shares I have in Happy Drinks is 5,198, and I'm looking to complete on these 3 offers. So the first offer at 54 pence per share, 100 shares, I'm selling £54 worth. Second offer is 75 shares, again at 54 pence per share, so I'd raise £40.50. And the third offer is 50 shares at 54 pence, that's £27. So in total, by selling these 3 sets of shares, I would raise £121.50 straight into my account. So I need to first of all just confirm via SMS that I'm happy to do that, and part of extra security. So I just click the send SMS confirmation code. That's just come through to my phone now, so I can put that code in. So that's my active confirmation code included, and if I click that sell green button, then I would have sold a total of 50 and 75 and 100, so 225 shares. They would be sold, and I would have £121.50 in my account within a matter of seconds, which I can then withdraw to my chosen bank account. Now I'm not going to complete that sell because I don't want to sell at 54 pence, but that's one method of selling direct to someone who already has their shares out there, where they've said they're willing to buy those shares at 54 pence. Now I personally think 54 pence, that's too late, so I come back to trading, private, and let's say I'm happy to sell my shares, but I want, let's say, 90 pence per share rather than 54 pence. Doesn't mean I'm going to get 90 pence, but that's my offer. I'm willing to sell some of my shares. So I click on here, add my offer. So we're in the add offer section. So what I want to do, I want to sell my shares, and then I'm going to move the price chart across here. I'm going to go down to 90 pence. You can tick here for extra precision. So if I wanted to sell for 94 pence, 92 pence, that sort of thing, then that gets you extra precision. Alternatively, it just rounds up to the nearest without that. So 90 pence. So I'm going to sell some shares at 90 pence. That's my offer to sell the shares. Now we've got an expiry after, so this will automatically expire after 1, 3, 5 or 7 days. So I'm happy for that offer to stay out there. I'm going to choose a week, and I'm prepared to sell 150 of my shares at 90 pence. That would raise for me £135. So if someone wants to buy those shares, they're going to have to spend £135, and that would confirm my offer. So now I click on add offer. That then goes into the market, and we can see highlighted in green. I'm the only person that gets to see that. You only see, this is highlighted in green, so you can see what offers you've got, either buy or sell. So I can see my offer here. So I've got 150 shares that I've put out there to say I'm happy to sell 150 at 90 pence per share. Now again, in reality, I'm not happy to sell those for 90p. I'm here for the long term, so I'm going to click on show, and I can delete that offer now. So even though I've put the offer in there, I can still click on delete. Are you sure? Click OK, and my offer is now back off the table. So that's two methods you can use to sell your shares within VCCrowd. Hopefully that makes sense for you. If this has also enlightened you and you think, actually, I'd quite like to join VCCrowd, I can see the merits and benefits of being a member of the club. Some real bargain shares to be had in here as well. Still, as a member, I'm still a buyer rather than a seller, generally speaking. Then it's, like I said, the converse is completely true from what you've just seen on this video. There's a link in the description if you'd like to join VCCrowd. I've got a website called copydragons.com which shows you how to join VCCrowd, what it's all about, and by joining via my invitation link you will get a welcome bonus shares worth up to £250. This is a bonus shares on top of the normal shares you would get simply by being a member anyway. If you've got any questions, do reach out in the comments or drop me an email, and I wish you all the best, and hopefully you found that interesting, entertaining. Do subscribe to my channel if you'd like more information on how to put your money to work. Then do subscribe. Give me a thumbs up as well and pass any comments, and thanks for watching. See you on the next video.